So this is the storyboard as it is today. I'm sure it will be somewhat different if we go through with this crazy plan. But yeah, pretty much the idea is that there's a kid and he's sleeping and his closet opens up and he's like, oh no, there's a monster. There's like a portal thing or something and there's this light that comes from the closet. And then big old monster comes out and he's like, oh no, a monster! And he hides under the covers and it actually works. And the monster is like, wait, where'd he go? And it's like, what? He's gone! The kid's scared under the covers. The monster looks around, can't find him. It's all confused. Calls Monstar for support. And Monstar answers and is like, yeah, what's your problem? And he's like, dude, I don't know. I was gonna scare this kid, but now he's just gone. And they have this conversation that's funny and awkward. Monster walks around, grabs a fish from the fish tank and eats the fish while he's just snacks on the fish while he's waiting. Ends up kind of walking around some more and then finally goes back into the closet and goes away. And then the kid peeps up over the covers and is like, okay, well, I don't know what to do now. I guess I'll just go back to sleep. And then possibly we're talking about an ending maybe where like the parent comes in or something and is like, did you eat your fish again? Or something crazy. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This is the very beginning of an idea. And you're here along for the ride. Wow, it's exciting.
We are trying to figure out if our studio would be the right size to shoot this crazy Monsters Inc.-esque short film. So we're just doing a quick test here on the anamorphic to see if it can get back far enough where we can see everything and get the shot we were thinking.
Is this the kid?
That's the kid, yeah.
How old is he? Because it looks like he has a goatee.
He doesn't have a goatee. Oh, it does kind of look like a goatee. No, this is his.
Oh, that's his mouth.
That's his mouth open.
His mouth is open.
Okay.
No, he's not like a.
It looked like he was.
It's just Richard Karnes. I told Sam that one of the things we should do for the music is have string plucks, like they go like funk funk funk. String plucks, funk funk funk.
What?
They go funk funk funk.
Maybe I don't hear what you're hearing, but
That goes funk funk funk.
okay.
Funk 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 funk. He's gonna find it. He
There we go.
knows what's up. Did you find it?
Right?
No.
Yeah. Not this. This is what Dan said.
But yeah, that sounds cool. That's fun. I mean, for part of it, maybe. But I was thinking, I think they're called string plucks. I think that's what.
I believe you.
But I want you to know what it is.
Okay.
That's what they.
If you can give me an example, I would.
Fine. Sam.
Yep.
This is what I'm talking about. Not that.
Ooh. That's funny.
That's fun.
Like that.
Okay.
You know? And then like, so he's like under the blanket and it's like, dong, 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 dong. Dong, dong, dong.
Okay.
So that sound. Like maybe get some of those and go dong, 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 dong. My input is valuable and I have good ideas. So we are dressing the kids' room set. So we've completely destroyed my kids' room and then rebuilt it to look really nice, actually. But specifically what we want. And so we've added all kinds of lighting and stuff. And so this is one of my favorite tricks is when you have a little lamp. Oftentimes when you turn on a lamp, the light is way too bright, especially with this camera. The Blackmagic cameras are super sensitive to light, and so we always shoot, the cleanest image is at 1250 ISO. And so basically, you only need a little bit of light to make it look good, which is great when you don't have big lights, but it's kind of a pain when you only have like a certain kind of bulb, because this would just completely blow it out. So this is on 1%, and it looks like the lamp's on, isn't that? It's a cute little trick, I think. So yeah, we're shooting with this, and this has a LUT on it so we can make good decisions here. It has a built-in color transform, which is really nice. So our main kind of kicker light is here. This is kind of a pink light that's in our closet. This blue light will give kind of a kicker right here. Lights up kind of the folds of this blanket and everything. We have a little bit of accent light here. This light, which we're kind of working on right now, it's going to be motivated from this lamp, but it's not actually bright enough to light much of anything. And so we're going to use this light and actually throw some light on stuff. And things are going to be motivated from that lamp. That's going to light, kind of be the key light for the monster.
Are you happy with it?
I love it.
And so now we just need a real fish, right?
Now we need a fish that's going to be on that stand over here.
Probably put a light there too. Right there,
Yeah, just to highlight that there's a fish there, because that's a key element of the film.
Cool.
Which I need to go get. Are you good without me for a bit?
Yeah, go get fish.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna go get fish.
Wait. Where's the set?
Give us the tour of the set dressings.
Okay, we have some toys, but then back here we put in, you know, a bunch of wall coverings. We got some books on the shelf with Game Boy next to the fish tank. So like back here, we put stuff up, but we left this space open right here because we figured the kid would be right here, and we want it to, you know, be a nice frame for him. So it's not like all cluttered up and stuff. And then we got more clothes everywhere because kids just have clothes everywhere in their rooms.
It's good.
Final image is looking pretty sweet. I want to be in this room. I would love to be a kid in this room. This is great.
I agree.
Looks awesome.
Okay, so the set dressing is done. Fish has been secured, and now we're heading out for the weekend. We'll be back on Monday. We'll see you guys then. Take care.